Wagwan, what's up if you're watching this video? What's good, beautiful people? My sexy sisters out there and my sexy brothers out there. We're gonna get into this tutorial. My niece and I just made some buffalo chicken dip, which was bomb. I tore it up. And get this, you guys, it really doesn't cost a lot to make it. Like, all you can get through with $10. Go to Dollar Tree. You can pick up everything there for $1 each and make this banging buffalo chicken dip. And you really only need about $10, about that much. So you can do it. Dollar Tree is the place to be. All right? They should sponsor me. So I am going to show you guys exactly how we made it. I'm so short. Exactly how we made it right now. So you're gonna start off with your little square pan you can get for $1, again from Dollar Tree. And the first ingredient we're gonna put in is the cream cheese. Make sure it's softened. You put it in. There's only a few ingredients, and we're gonna put them all in and combine them. Stir it all up. So in goes the cream cheese, softened. Don't forget that. All right, so once your cream cheese is in, we're going to move on to the next ingredient, which is the second one, which is half a cup of some ranch dressing. So we're going to put that in. Dump it in. There we go. There we go. All right, and the next ingredient, the third one, is the hot sauce. Of course, you see I'm using the Dollar Tree brand, but I mean, whatever hot sauce you get will get the job done. So I'm using the Dollar Tree one. Dump that in. You need a half a cup of that. Okay. All right, and you know, hot sauce is like the main ingredient to me and the chicken. But anyways, the hot sauce is the main ingredient, and it makes it pop. And I love, 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 love hot sauce. So yes, girl, boy, whoever's watching this, put that in. Next is the blue cheese, baby. You cannot go wrong with blue cheese. Blue cheese is the best. This is crumbled blue cheese. We're gonna put this in, dump in half a cup. Yummy, yummy. So guys, if you make this, let me know how it came out. Let me know how you did. This is my first time making it. It came out really, really good. So drop a comment. The next main ingredient is your chicken, shredded chicken. All right, so you need 2 cups of shredded chicken, and all I'm doing is straining off all that excess water because you don't want that in your dip. Okay, so I bought 4 cans of chunk tuna. So I'm going to dump all that in, Tyson's chunk tuna. Dump all 4 of them in, and then get to mixing and trying to soften up that cream cheese. This is what it looks like after I softened up the cream cheese and chopped up my chicken. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And voila, after 20 minutes on 350 degrees, you take this bad boy out, and baby, it is so good. This is what it's looking like. Smells so good, tastes so good. Hey, and before you go, what you waiting on? Smash that subscribe button. Love you.